Welcome to Hotel Landy, located in Orlando, Florida. This is a fairly new hotel, only opened a few months ago. It is a renovation from the old Crowne Plaza. You will see some hints of it being an older hotel, but overall, I think they did a pretty good job with the renovations. Here is my room. I opted to get a junior suite room. This is a room category that is higher than the standard level. It's below their highest suite category. It is very spacious, as you can see. Comes with a large king bed. Also has a trundle bed that you can see right here for an extra traveler to sleep there. There's a seating area to dine. There is a mini fridge in the room, and you can also request a microwave to be delivered to your room, which is really cool. I really enjoyed their outdoor area. There's games out here. There's ping pong. There's a few other games that you can play as well. There's also a really cool food truck that sells light bites such as tacos, as well as beer and wine coolers. This was a really cool spot to just hang out, enjoy some fun in the sun. They have a few cafe options along with candy. Here's the bar area where you can hang out all day. The bar is pretty much open from sun up to sundown to enjoy a drink and just hang out. The fitness center I thought was pretty adequate for the stay. Lots of treadmills, a few bikes, free weights, has everything you need to get in a quick workout. Something for the kids or adults that love to play as well. There's a huge arcade area with lots of video games. These do come at a cost. They are not free. But I found it to be really cool. And I like that they had the seating area for like maybe parents who are just there waiting on their kids to watch them while they play the video game. So that was pretty awesome. I want to show you guys the pool. It's pretty impressive for this hotel. I thought it was pretty big. There's also a jacuzzi there to the left. The pool was always clean. There were enough chairs. I would have liked to see a few more umbrellas, but overall, it was a great stay.